This is our incredible starter of monkfish scampi with fennel pickle and a dill tartare. Plating up, let's go in first of all with the dill tartare, just off centre of the plate. Push it down. A good hit of that. Next is our fennel pickle. This has got little bits of cornichons in there as well, with loads of dill. This is very refreshing, very, very delicious. It's going to offset that fried fish perfectly. Just stack that up on top again, just slightly off centre so you can still see some of the tartare sauce. I think it's quite nice to be able to see all the individual elements of the plate. Just stack that up like so. And then finally we're going to finish off with our monkfish scampi. Again, just slightly off centre so you can still see the fennel pickle and the tartare. Just stacking these up. Get a bit of height onto the dish. This is the big boy. And there we have the starter, delicious monkfish scampi with fennel pickle and a dill tartare.